Yeah, Jason here from Stage Zero Garage, and I've just added something new to the fleet. Even though this year, like every year, I said no new cars, and this year I've broken my record and gotten 4 cars. So this time, 1990 Cavalier Z24. I've actually had my eye on this car ever since the nice young man that sold it to me bought it 5 years ago, and he knew that I was interested in it, and so as soon as he decided it was time to sell, he gave me a buzz. We made a deal. I have the car. So yeah, it's actually really clean underneath. That's like probably the biggest thing about this. Yeah, you can see like it needs some freshening up, but like underneath here is absolutely clean all the way down. Even all of these holes here. The only area is on this side, and just a little bit of rust right here. Just this little hole where this screw went in. With the screwing in, we can fix that. I'll pull all this cladding off and clean it up, and she'll be good to go. But yeah, I mean, you know, it's like a little decal missing there. Paint job really just needs a good, you can't see it really well because it's raining or it's sprinkling. My mom says it's sprinkling. But yeah, the paint needs a little bit of buffing. This was closed on. Something was in there, closed it, bent the hinge, I guess. But yeah, once I get that stuff taken care of, clean up the rims, she'll be pretty good to go. Tires will hold on for this year. Interior wise, we're okay. Back seat's good. Front seat looks like there was apparently a little bit of wear, and but not bad. And passenger seat's clean. This is a little bit, oh, this is loose, which, oh no, I'm sure I can reattach it. Don't know what that is. I have change, so I paid a little bit less for it than I thought, because I can cash this in and count it towards my purchase. Dash isn't really cracked. Its things are a little bit warped. I'm guessing that just needs to be attached. Yeah, I mean, a little bit of cracking here and there, but I'm not going to worry about it. And everything seems to work good. All I know, these things, sometimes these buttons get kind of busted up. Starts right up. So it does have a little bit of a mechanical issue with I guess needs an injector. So but that's gonna have to, I'll probably pull the intake off and clean that up, paint it, but maybe I'll do the gaskets, because I know sometimes there's leakage, coolant leakage on these, so maybe I'll take care of that right away. But you know, I know we had a little bit of mousage here. Stereo. Jeez. There's some damn good speakers back there. Holy cow. Anyway, yeah, so let's turn that off. How do we turn that off? I don't know. Anyway, again, all the lights work. Wipers work. I don't know if it has AC. It does. I don't know if it works. we'll assume it does for now. Oh yeah, it had the R134 conversion. So let's look at engine first, and then we'll take it for a little drive. Alright, now it's an engine. 3.1. It's got this air cleaner goes into there, and apparently works with these functioning hood scoops or cold air intakes. So that's kind of neat. I wonder why there's tape on these. I don't know if that's to fix something, or if just try to keep it away from the fans. I've had that with my Riata. I had one get cut by a fan once, so maybe that's what the problem is. Anyway, I'm sure the injectors are all under here, so that would definitely require some work. I know that it looks, I believe the front plugs were replaced, the back ones not yet. But yeah, I mean, look at this. I mean, this will clean up really nice. Everything's really clean in here. I mean, it's dusty, but we could clean this up really nice. Probably even paint this. Alright, let's take her a little bit around the block. I don't want to go too far because, again, I mean, it says okay. I just don't want to take it anywhere busy where I have to. So that black one today. Back to where you were with the camera. Don't take me back to our little jaunt around Road America when you were holding the camera.
Yes, I know how to hold it steady this time.
That was horrible.
At least I know what a view.
There was no usable footage on that when we run around Road America for 5 laps in the Mustang, and it was all. But you were like, what, 8?
Someone didn't know what a viewfinder was. Oh wow, this actually is a viewfinder on this side too. That's really good. That's useful.
So
drive is pretty good.
yeah, it does. I guess I can. You gotta kind of massage it. There we go. Come on. It doesn't like right now, like sudden bursts of speed on the low RPMs. So you either gotta give it some gas. Police station.
Ah! Being jostled around over here.
I like this way better than the Cougar.
I'd say this more so feels like it has the cockpit feel.
And it's funny because the Cougar is like the only other car that came with a really friggin' awesome stereo, and this one does too. So
it's.
But I like this car better than the Cougar. I feel like, well, it seems a little bit more responsive.
Aren't they generally like? They probably have more pepness. You know, they're peppier.
Oh.
Technical difficulties.
Oh, put it in neutral.
Oh, that's good. No, this I feel like has more peppiness to it than the Cougar ever was.
Well, it's just more comfortable too. It's quieter. I mean, we're only talking like 4 years difference. You know. As I get that issue with the injector figured out, I'll definitely be driving this soon. I don't want to drive it in the winter a lot because I really like how clean it is.
You want to like kind of hone in on that.
But definitely a little bit like everyone all like. Cindy didn't like the Cougar either, so she had to drive something. She would generally drive the Riata, which isn't a car I want someone driving all the time. And come on, you can do it. There you go. Okay.
Whatever. Shut up.
Make it stop.
Oh my god.
Oh.
What was that?
Oops. The lights. The headlights.
That's stupid. Welcome to Dumbass Garage.
So anyway, yeah, so we're putting the Cougar up on the block. I'll be selling that, so it's kind of a good thing I went through and polished it and did the painting stuff. That's it. This is my car number 4 for the year of not buying any new cars.
No new cars, he
I'm
says.
never gonna follow that. So okay, goodbye, Reese.
No new cars, he says.
Promise this time. Little trees.